Pizza salami piccante, margherita, and a margherita bomba. This is Napoli. Mamma mia, che bella pizza! Welcome, guys, to Southern California. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Carmine Casarella. I'm one of the 92 members All of America certified in Neapolitan pizza. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes. We're going to work with me. We're going to make it happen. There we go, there we go. Yeah. Pizza gives us wings, you know what I'm saying? Ay, ay, ay. Pizza salami piccante, margherita, and a margherita bomba. This is Napoli, mamma mia, che bella pizza. Now this is lievito madre, 200-year-old sourdough starter, homemade mozzarella. Oh, look here. This is Napoli for you, soft, crispy, mamma mia, che bella pizza, che spettacolo. Napoli for you.